my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you found this video, you are looking for a brutally honest review of the new Versed Gentle Cycle Milky Cleanser, and that is exactly what I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna review the product, share all of the details and information you need to know about whether or not it's worth your money, test it on my skin, tell you exactly how it feels, how it smells, how my skin looks after, so you can make a really informed decision on whether or not you wanna buy this product. And I do really have some favorites from Versed. Their Guards Up SPF 35 is one of my all-time favorite sunscreens. I did a review, which I'll share right here. You can check that out. But not all their products are my favorite, and I am not afraid to give you my really honest opinion. I have no affiliation to the brand as far as payment. They've never paid me for absolutely anything. If you do like the product and want to buy it, I will link my affiliate link, so I will get some affiliate commission if I like it. But I'll share a different product that I like better if I do like another product better in the same price category. So you can definitely trust this review. They do have some great influencer packaging. I am not gonna lie, they send the coolest swag. They send the best headbands. They really think out all of their influencer gifting. So it's hard not to be swayed by that, but I'm gonna do my best and just share everything there is to share about this product. First of all, just disregard this hideous vent thing. I don't even know what this does, but it's in our rental house and I'm always trying to film around it, but it's there. And it has no function, but just pretend like it's not. It's actually really funny that I'm doing this video today because I had a complete different video planned. Nate and I have been looking at houses. If you follow me on Instagram, wherever, we'll insert my handle. You may know that we're house hunting right now and we put in an offer on a house that we sadly did not get, but that's the process. It's a bummer, but we are just gonna keep looking. But anyways, I was gonna share how to go through and clean out your beauty closet, how to know when things are expired, when you should replace things, and it just didn't seem as pertinent now that we're not moving. But let me know if you do want that video in the comments below, and I also make that one happen. And hopefully sooner rather than later, we'll find our dream house and someone will accept our offer and we'll be moving in. But then my YouTube filming schedule was saved because I got a delivery of this really adorable package, which happened to be the new Versed cleanser. So let me show you. So they sent this, and they always send things for influencer gifting by courier. So someone dropped this off and Ponzo went nuts barking at the guy, poor thing. And so I got this little box just like this, no external packaging or anything. And it says laundry powder, obviously, if you can see that. This is the cutest tin. And I love powdered laundry detergents. I use Molly Suds that I get on Amazon. It's a non-toxic laundry detergent. So I'm so excited to use this for my actual laundry suds. So they're bribing me already, but I'm not gonna let them win. I'm gonna give you an honest review. I don't care how cute all this stuff is. So inside are these laundry bags by the laundress. So cute for Gentle Cycle. They always go with a theme. They do the cutest gifting, and it always has something really, really clever that ties it all together. So it's a laundry theme. So these are like lingerie bags, I think. I've never been so bougie and used these, but maybe I'll start. And then it has the cutest little silk pouch cosmetics bag. I mean, I'm just gonna use this for makeup from now on. And the brand recognition, like all the cute little Versed branding, so adorable. And now every time anyone who's been gifted this takes a bathroom shelfie or makeup bag photo, they're gonna post it on Instagram and people will get the brand recognition of Versed, which is genius. Then they sent perfect little face washcloths. These are really, really great. I like to use them just to dry my skin after I cleanse it. I don't love using just normal bath towels and shower towels because you put them all over your body and then on your face and it can spread bacteria and dirt and it's just not great. So I try to wash these maybe every other time I wash my face, then I just throw these in the laundry. So they're always good to have. Thank you. A little scoop for your powdered laundry detergent. Another one of these very coveted Versed headbands. Pink's not necessarily my color, but I'm not mad about it. I'm definitely gonna wear this for the rest of the video. I'm sure the thumbnail will have this in it because Versed knows what they're doing. They make the cutest shit ever so that you wanna promote the brand. And then the most important thing, this is the new cleanser. So it's a pink cleanser. It goes with all the other pink items. Very themed. And then some little info cards about the cleanser too, which I will share all the details as I'm washing my face so I can just save you time. So, okay, I just woke up. I have nothing on my skin, just dirt from the night before. So I just wanted to wash my face, but I did want to show you just the makeup removal power. I don't know if it's a good makeup remover, but I always like having cleansers that will remove makeup. So I'm gonna do some eye makeup on one eye just so we can get the effect of makeup removal and see how it works. It wasn't for the high quality makeup, it's just for the experiment, so forgive my really ridiculous winged liner. Okay, now we're gonna wash your face. I'm gonna wash my face because you're not here, but maybe you're washing your face along with me, who knows. And I do want to say, if you just found this channel and you have no idea who I am or why I should be at liberty to share any kind of beauty skincare advice with you, I am a holistic skincare expert and registered nurse. I test so many. I've tested almost all the clean beauty cleansers out there. I have about 15 in my shower, and even though I'm not going to be testing this in the long term, and this is a first blush review, I know what's good, I know what's gonna work, I know what I like, and I'm just gonna share that information with you. Also, how cute is the headband? But I'm not gonna let it deter me from giving you the truth, like I said again, but how cute is it? All right, loves, it's a moment of truth. I'm testing out the Gentle Cycle Milky Cleanser. It is made for dry skin. It is the new hydrating pH balancing cleanser from Versed. It rebalances skin and restores its protective barrier, melting into a lightweight, creamy milk and leaving the skin silky smooth and baby soft. We are gonna try this out. It is supposed to be very, very delicate. As you can see there, texturally, it looks milky, and it is very good for all skin types, mature to acne prone to sensitive, any complexion that struggles during winter time. And that is me. It has whole oat kernels, aka colloidal oatmeal, loaded with antioxidants and lipids to repair, protect, and soothe the skin. It also has probiotics to strengthen skin's barrier, keeping skin balance and breakouts and redness at bay. Very, very important for the likes of me. It also has blackberry vinegar to suppress acne-causing bacteria. Together, probiotics and blackberry vinegar work to keep the skin's microbiome healthy and happy, which is essential. That's why we don't want to overstrip the skin, because we need all of that protective pH barrier and all of our healthy microbiome to fight off acne-causing bacteria. Wow, that sounds amazing. Versed is onto something. They suggest exactly what I suggest, which is washing for 60 seconds, doing little massages, circular motions. You want to get off all the dirt, sebum, oil, everything that's on the surface of the skin without scratching or irritating. So nice gentle circles like I'm doing now, and I'm really trying to focus on the makeup area. I mean, I really don't wear eye makeup that much, so it's hard for me to even remember to cleanse off my eye area, especially the little tail of that liquid eyeliner, which isn't going anywhere because I'm not washing it. Okay, I kind of cheated. I looked in the mirror to see if it got all the makeup off. I'm impressed. Liquid eyeliner is not easy to get off with cleanser, and I feel like it got off all the liquid eyeliner, all the mascara. There's no residue or anything, so that is phenomenal. Even if you just use it as a makeup remover, it's a really quality product at a really affordable price, so far so good in that department. Also, my skin feels really silky smooth. It feels like baby soft already, and my skin has been feeling so dry this winter. I've been dealing with some breakouts. You can see a little bit of acne scarring and stuff like that, so it feels really good. It also has a really nice mild scent. It's almost like a warm kind of oat like scent. I'm gonna do voiceover over the whole skincare part, so I'll be naming off all the ingredients, and I'm sure once I read them I'll be like, oh yeah, that was what that smelled. But it's a really nice mild scent. My skin feels real good. It's not quite as jelly as I would like it to be. I do like a little bit jellier of a texture for cleanser, but this is a milky product, so if you like that milky cleanser, I know Clarins has an old school one that's really popular, but really this is a very nice cleanser. I really like it. Also, the bottle is huge. This is a lot of cleanser. 5 ounces of cleanser will last you a really long time, and I use 2 pumps which was plenty to get everything off. I feel like I would always do 2. You kind of need to. So far, I'm really, really happy with it. I kind of want to wait till tomorrow morning to give you the final review. I think I might use it once more tonight and then just see if my skin feels a little bit more hydrated. But so far, like, I want to give this a really, really good review even right now, but I'm not quite ready because I really want to make sure that I'm giving you all the deets. And of course, this might not work for every skin type, but Versed products really don't make me break out. I've never had an issue with one of them making me break out, and I'm super acne prone. So I think this would be good for even acne prone people. And personally, I feel that most people suffering from acne need a more gentle cleanser anyways. Overstripping your skin, using too many exfoliants when you have acne isn't really great. You have to treat it like a wound. You want it to be gentle, especially during the winter when our skin is so parched and dry. So even if this is just a winter cleanser, so far, I love it. Right now, I'm giving it I really want to give it not a 5 because I feel like that's just too much, but I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 right now. I don't know if any of you guys watch Barstool or the pizza reviews, probably not. Maybe there's one girl who watches it with her boyfriend, but they always say it's a rookie score to give a number score without decimals, and it's a total rookie score to give it 5 out of 5. So if this is pizza review scores, I'm gonna give this a 4.8 because I don't love the color pink and I want it to be a little thicker, but those are just ridiculous. So far, very, very happy with this product. New day, same robe. But I did just wanna check in with you and let you know that I've used this product 3 times now, and I'm even more obsessed than when I initially recorded how obsessed I was. I feel like my skin is so much more hydrated and moisturized just after cleansing. I don't have anything else on my skin and it doesn't feel parched and dry. So 5 out of 5, I absolutely love this product. It is definitely worth the price point and I think you should give it a try. So I'm pretty sure I have a discount code, and if so, I'll put it on the screen and also link in the description. So I hope you enjoyed that brutally honest review. Sometimes I love them, sometimes I hate them, and this time it was a double thumbs up. I loved it. So if you want me to do a brutally honest review of anything specific that you've seen that's out, that you don't want to waste your money on until you know whether or not it's worth it, you can just leave it in the comments below and I will definitely take it into consideration. So I hope you have a beautiful rest of the day. I love you so much. Thank you for coming to this channel, watching this video. And if you're at all inclined to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Okay, I'll see you next week. Mwah.